There has been a massive growth in the online gaming industry in India, especially the fantasy sports like Khel Play Rummy or Dream 11 or online casino games. A KPMG report on online gaming predicts that by 2024-25, the value of the gaming industry will be whopping 29,000 crores. But there is a lot of confusion as far as the GST rates on online gaming is concerned. So online games को दो parts में divide कर दिया है, game of skill and game of chance. So game of skill are those where sufficient degree of intelligence or application of mind is required, for example KBC. Game of chance on the other hand is classified as gambling or lottery, wherein luck plays more important role than skill. On game of skills, 18% of GST is charged on the commission income of the online gaming platform. Prize money received out of the game of skill is exempt in the hands of the customers or the audience who is involved in the game. For game of chance on the other hand, 28% of GST is charged on the entire pool value or the bet value. So let's take an example of a fantasy cricket match. Say the pool money is rupees 10 lakhs. 40% of the audience bets that team A will win, 60% bets that team B will win. So if team B is successful, then the prize money of the 40% of the audience is transferred to team B. While transferring this prize money, a commission is deducted by the online gaming platform, which is its income or revenue from this transaction. If we take a numerical example of the game of chance, say prize pool is 10 lakh rupees, then GST at the rate 28% is charged on the gross revenue itself, and what the prize money winners get is the amount of winnings net of GST, because in this case the winnings are not exempt from GST in the hands of the prize winners. But currently the GST Council is contemplating to do away with this difference of game of skill and game of chance and put a blanket rate of 28% on all the games, irrespective of whether skill is involved or luck is involved. So this effectively means that the GST Council is attempting to bring game of skills at par with the game of chance by introducing a flat rate of 28% and charging the tax on the gross bet value rather than the commission income of the online gaming companies, as the case it exists today on the game of skills. Also recently, an online gaming company by the name Gamescraft Technologies was issued a notice of 21,000 crores of GST right from 2017 till date. And interestingly, the value of 21,000 crores is much more than the total valuation of gaming industry today. Even in this case, the issue was whether the GST rate on online gaming should be either 18% or 28%. The Karnataka High Court has finished hearing this matter and the judgment is expected any time now. Charging a flat rate of 28% disregarding the difference between skill and chance would be an unfair treatment towards the gaming industry, and it will have a negative impact on their cash flows as well. Clarity on all these aspects is much awaited from the government, and even the decision of the Karnataka High Court in Gamescraft is also awaited. So let me know your take in the comments. Namaste.